Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't sit here and talked to you guys in a long time, but I'm running out of time, but I'm gonna do a little get ready with me and also enjoy my new setup. I'm still trying to figure it out because I just got that new vanity mirror, which I am gonna do a full video on it, girls, because let me tell you, it is bomb.com and like changed everything. Like, look, I'm gonna turn it off right now, and also it has a little remote control just so you guys can see how dark that is. So that lights up the background, so that can be low setting, and then the highest setting, it's right there. And you can also take pictures. Just a little sneak peek, you can take pictures and all that good stuff, and you can put your phone right there and do a live because it has like a little back connection for your USB for your phone. So it is so amazing. I am loving it, and this is just like a little setup that I'm gonna do, and then like later on just buy those freaking famous IKEA dressers, or I don't know, something affordable. I don't really want to spend so much on this, but yeah, you guys, let's jump right into this. Get ready with me. The first product that I'm using, you guys, is the Antioxidant Dew by Kypris. And this will help to give you a glow, a really hydrated feeling. It's like water to your skin, you guys. So I'm just gonna shake it up a little bit because it is organic. So let me show you guys how it looks so you guys can see. I'm gonna apply a couple drops, not a couple drops, couple squirts. For foundation, I'm gonna be using my favorite foundation. You guys know this, and it's the one by Jane Iredale, the Glow Time BB Cream, which is full coverage. It has SPF 25. It has skincare ingredients, so it's a no-brainer. Do you want a foundation that just full coverage, or do you want a foundation that does everything, which has skincare ingredients? It's good for your face. It has SPF. It's like, I'm sold. Like, I am sold. I am in BB7, and you just need, I think like that's enough for the whole face, or even less, because it is medium to full coverage. You don't need a lot. Where the hell are my brushes? And what I always love to do is can you see that? Look at, like, girl, I need Botox. Who wants to sponsor my Botox? Because your girl needs Botox right here. Like, these lines are just like, I had to keep a bitch face. Like, I can't do that. I can't squint because then freaking lines come through. So yeah, I feel like this is a must, you guys, to just cover your lids really good with concealer or foundation, so you can have a clean canvas, because sometimes a lot of us have a lot of redness. I'm gonna contour real quick, and I'm just gonna make this tutorial really just quick and easy. And for that, I'm gonna be using the Atmosphere Luminous Foundation Stick. Now this one is by Vapor, and it's a foundation, but I like to use it as a contour stick, as look at how dark it is. It reminds me of the ones from Anastasia Beverly Hills, you guys, but I'm just gonna apply it where you feel the hollows, on my forehead and on my chin. I'm gonna be just blending everything, and I'm using a little stippling brush. You gotta make sure, girl, that you blend the bottom, because I swear, I mean, even to me, even Carlos is like, you can see the dark stuff you have right there. Like, oh shit, is my contouring? All right, you guys, so now time for concealer. I'm gonna be using the one by Fit Glow Beauty in C1. Now this one, girl, it is amazing. It is full coverage, but I just grabbed the wrong shade. I always go 2 shades lighter, but this time I'm like, shit, I went too light. But yeah, I'm using C1. I recommend for you if you're like my tone, olive skin tone. I just seen a shadow, shit. Was it my shadow? Okay, it was my shadow, fuck. I had so much coffee, girls, but I hope that you guys feel like I am just like, you know, talking to you, sitting down, having a little chat. But yeah, I'm gonna use C1, so I recommend C2 for you. Now to blend, I'm going to be using this Doll 10 N2 number brush. I did try doing a beauty blender, but I just feel like it just was removing everything. So a brush works amazing for this. So now for my shadows, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Petite palette, and I'm gonna go in with Hot Spell all over my crease. I gravitate to this palette a lot because they're all neutral and they're like all matte colors, except for I think Inhale. Inhale's like a little highlighter. The brush that I'm using is by Morphe in R30. I'm going to take Strike and just pop this on the outer corner, just for that extra dimension. I'm going to be using Heat all over my lid. And I'm going to bring Heat back down to my lid just to smoke that out. So now for eyeliner, I'm going to be using the On Point eyeliner, and this one is by Pure Cosmetics. It is super pigmented. I love trying new liquid liners, and this is how the packaging looks. So for mascara, I'm using the Roller Lash by Benefit. Now for the lashes, I'm going to be trying out some new lashes, and they are by Beauty Creations. They are 3D lashes in Dahlia. Just look at the packaging, it's freaking cute. So there you guys have my lashes. What I did do is I used my tweezers just to pinch them a little bit to make them as close to my lash line as possible. And then I also use this curling lash curler, whatever, to make them appear like they're more mine. Alright, so now for my lips, I'm going to be using my favorite lip liner that I've been using by Makeup Forever, and this one is in color Universe Art. Girl Code lip gloss. So I rarely add blush, you guys, so I'm going to be using this new blush by Buxom, and this one, I cannot say the name, so I'm going to show you guys, but it's their Wanderlust blushes. The packaging is super cute though. I don't even need to add highlight, like that blush itself, it's a good highlighting. And always what I love to do is either go in with the Beauty Blender or use my foundation brush that I use and just wet that brush and go in like if it was a Beauty Blender. Do you guys do this? I always do this on me and my clients. And there you guys have my final look. I hope you guys love this type of videos. You guys, please let me know, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends if you guys want more videos like this. Let me know down below in the comments what else you guys want to watch from me. If you guys like this type of videos, like talking to you, like, you know, we are in the same room, then let me know, because I can talk. At school, I was known to talk. You know, I was always getting in trouble, like, Adriana, you need to stop talking. Adriana, please stop talking. Adriana, detention. So please make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Bye-bye.